Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a simple glossy effect to text in Canva. One example is this one that I just created without involving any third-party app or tool in Canva. So we just use whatever available in Canva, and it's surprisingly not very difficult. So let's recreate this design. First, I'm going to just add a new page and I'm going to insert some text. Let's say it's going to be this text. I'm going to call this one glossy text, and after that let's change the font. I prefer to use maybe Ubuntu font, and I'm going to make the text way bigger. Okay, it's great. Click on the text, go to effects and click on outline, and I'm going to adjust the thickness to be 10, and the color is going to be light gray, maybe this one. And after that, go to elements. Then you want to search for the color of the background plus gradient. For example, I do have black background, so the keyword is going to be black gradient. If you have white gradient, then it's going to be white gradient. If you have a yellow gradient, then it's going to be a yellow gradient. I guess you will understand what I meant. After that, search for the result. Search for using this keyword that based on your background, and go to graphics. Now you want to select a gradient graphics vector that you want to apply to your content, to this text in particular. I'm going to select maybe this one. I prefer the one with very close contrasting color, so the zone between the dark and the light area, it's very close. I usually prefer to use that. One example is here. This is also great, but this is not so great. This is not so great. This is great, this is great, this is kind of okay, this is kind of okay, but this and this is not great. This is also not great, this is not great. So basically you want to pick the one that has a very close zone between the dark and light color. So I'm going to select this one, and now we have this gradient content in the background, but we want to put it to the very top of the layers. And click layer and bring forward. Now I'm going to rotate this gradient to 180 degree, and I'm going to put this roughly in the middle of the text. So I'm going to reduce it a bit, and yeah, I guess that's it. You can also rotate the text a little bit, maybe like this angle, and there you go. That's a simple way to create a glossy text effect in Canva.